forgot to pick Sky now. This comp is insane, bro. Insta win with deadlock, bro. Trust. Stun everything. I mean, yeah. I mean, sure.
On my way.
That's just. I mean, don't even dash into your smoke. I'm
Play your
down.
life, play your life.
This guy just dashed out of his smoke, bro. I was trying to run in and I got blocked. It's just stunned early, I guess.
You have net? You're net? He's peeking.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Oh. Unless you're gonna be.
Yeah. All the behind.
Oh.
Oh, like.
Dogging up. Coming up short again.
Yeah, I'm rotating.
But that dog just went through me. Wait, he's behind me. You all. What the fuck?
I'm gonna make noise running away.
That dog didn't bite me? Nice.
Shit, dude.
Spike planted.
One's you, one's you. One
He came back side, Cypher.
Triple now.
Ooh. 110, 110.
1 HP, 110. Cypher.
Nice shot.
Y'all want me to play? Outside hookah.
Stun your hookah, stun your hookah.
He's a shotgun and hookah.
Holy
Yeah,
fuck,
no
we're just
dash.
not playing
Rotate
A.
off A.
Yep, fuck it.
Launching smoke.
I can flash you guys through the long smoke soon, if you want.
No, they're so quiet here, they're so quiet here.
Oh shit, that might be on A. They are on A. Nice kill. Flashing your backside now.
On B, on site.
Oh,
Bomb, bomb.
what you?
Spike down A.
I swear
That's
bomb,
one
way
80, that's 180 on B.
I'm 1 HP. I'm gonna flash with top truck after.
Okay.
Could be flanking.
I'll watch behind you. You can just go heaven, okay?
You're 1 HP, right?
I'm 1 HP. I think he can shoot me if he goes left side short.
He smoke spawn to walk out.
They might walk out of that shit, yeah.
Out behind me. He goes short.
30 seconds left. Last player standing.
Walked out.
Wow, I hit him too.
Should be one shot.
tragic.
You have stun, you have stun.
Spike planted.
Blinding.
Nice.
Yeah, did you see Crushy's a fanatic? I did. I did.
Smoke's down.
Not well now.
Forever.
One teleport and then one is up short already. Up short, up short. I don't have your U-all.
I think that was a clone TP.
Point the game.
Spike planted.
I think he's cubby. I can flash front side.
Blinding.
He's cubby, he's cubby.
One enemy.
Alright, let's go short. Give me time.
40.
Yeah.
Good kill.
Guys, let me get it. Yes.
Oh, too short.
Nothing on.
Falling hookah.
I'm out that bitch, but I can ult all front side one.
120.
Clearing out.
We have Brimmo.
Are they on?
One
120
is.
Cypher. Gonna get healed.
Are they committing or no?
Jez and you.
One's you.
My fucking eyelash is like fucking my eye up
Yeah,
right
both
now.
of you. I'm gonna net you.
Yep.
Netting now.
Spike planted.
Flash out.
Flashing front side one.
Blinding.
One short.
I gotta reload. He's out showers.
Enemy remaining.
Good job.
Nice.
What the?
Holy fuck, bro.
That's us.
Enemy spotted.
Great call out tower.
They saw three. I think we should move. Could be up short on you. Oh man.
Could be up short here.
Gotta go back B, bro. The fuck?
The guy broke my wall and left.
They
Jiggle
B,
trench shorts
they
on
smoke
nothing.
B.
Stun hookah.
It's gonna be B. It's gonna be B.
I mean, our broom has full long.
Voila.
It could be on B.
That's Cypher. That's Cypher. He has the one,
Yeah,
the Marshall.
They're here. They're all here.
It should
They're
be
all
a.
here.
I'm stunning one stun.
I'm playing off my stun. I'm playing off my stun.
Okay, I'll flash
Clear
with it,
shower.
okay? I'll flash with it. Call it.
Yeah, clear shower.
Oh, I did it now.
Alright. Wow.
I'm third dead flashing. Sorry, Brimstone.
Cypher short, and could be.
One enemy remaining.
Unknown, could be shower.
Spike down.
Shower. Maybe he went through hookah B. Hookah through B.
Could be it could be B.
Who's next?
No way.
Up long, up long.
I think he's short.
Are they on site?
No.
I know exactly where you are.
Can stun the drop out of hookah.
There is two
deadlock
outside
and raise
hookah,
up.
one in hookah.
Could be up long right now.
I've
But
got
no,
your
I think-
trail.
They're gonna be A, I think.
It's fine, it's fine.
Hit my trip short.
I can stun front sight.
I like the one.
Stunning front sight
One
now.
of them is like.
You go.
Listen up.
TP.
You had your fun.
Cypher's up B. Cypher's up B.
3v2, if y'all stay alive.
Planning B now.
I'm thinking I'm
This
thinking-
jump's running everything.
Spike planted.
I have ult.
Can flash out spawn.
Hold on, let me remember.
Flank. He's
Enemy
on.
remaining.
Bait me. Just let me go. I'm 1 HP. I'll get in the smoke.
Last player standing.
Oh,
my God, you're the best.
wow. Stunning your shower.
We go.
More hookah.
Launching smoke.
Smoke.
I got flash when they come out. Flashing.
All out.
Not out?
They're out. There. 2 are out.
Planning.
Spike planted.
They are not. Clovis hit 120.
Enemy spotted B. Blinding. No match.
Fucking hands are freezing.
Clovis hit 120, and Euro was A.
I'm stunning in front of you.
Concussing.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Last player
Hookah.
standing.
35.
Yeah, aftershock.
Shut up and let me work.
Oh, nice try.
Rift.
Wait, what?
Dogging A.
Can you break that? Just break that dog. Can stun in front of you. Stun.
Down and out.
Dead. I vault.
Miles ready.
Are you coming out short?
Too long.
They're gone.
Yeah, coming B.
I got Brim ult.
We just have Raze ult.
Planning
Jets
now.
on site. Back site.
Spike planted.
I'm gonna
What?
flank.
Wait for the flank.
One more is elbow. Fuck, they almost lined up for me.
Smoke's down.
Jet was close spawn.
Last player standing.
No.
I've died 8 times to people not looking at, or I'm not looking at.
And Verdi, you can just go out hookah and then flank. If you kill a hookah guy, I'll ult.
Who's next?
Breaking my wall, A.
Or-
Planning your blue and someone else.
What? Did I just witness?
Did off this.
Yeah, I'm gonna push to A. They're
He's
going
out.
to B for sure.
What did I just
Yeah,
witness?
that was optimal.
One more side.
Stay alive. You have your...
Biden. I can ult outside.
Planted.
He
Last
walk
player
pushed
standing.
spawn by himself. That is a little too smart.
One enemy
Sure.
remaining.
Okay, this guy is on drugs, chat.
I've got your trail.
Ulted, short.
One side, one side.
I can ult all front side.
One shower. One shower, I think Sky.
Sky ulted from short. Your kit is gone. Not really, man. I got 2 bangers.
One short, I heard.
Flash out.
Look,
Both short.
One enemy remaining.
I hit him like 40.
Okay.
105.
That means he's 5 HP if you hit him 40. Nice, Peter.
Aw, thought you'd try harder. Get out of my way. Barrier deployed.
Cypher Beeline.
I'm gonna move so I can use it till.
2 running up Beeline. They're gonna get orb in your ult. Yeah, you're getting orb.
Yo, we're just TP to shower.
They just grabbed
Good
orb
luck,
and TP'd.
Could have been a fake. I heard door open.
Can we
Sky's.
peek this, yo? 3, 2.
Who's next?
I went there.
Looking to shower, I think.
Jumped across.
Yeah, that's through shower.
If you tuck right, I can stun short. I'm stunning short. I have 2 flashes for front side.
Flash out.
I'm blind. Backside.
Done.
Let me know if they're committing.
1 HP, I think, on TP.
Satchel out.
Out of charges.
Running back.
Running back A.
It's fucking crazy. Shit is so fucking boring, bro.
I'm gonna go heaven. I've stunned 12. He's right side. Oh, I thought I heard all TP. Oh, I thought I heard all of them TP, man.
seconds left. Spike planted.
Jets at 70.
You went you
It was Sky towards you, I believe.
Tap bomb.
Hey,
One's probably back you right now.
Here, backside.
One enemy remaining.
block the sight.
Short.
Aw, please.
Alright, shoot out that.
Netting you.
Stunned you. Flashing front truck.
Blinding.
Going back to the short.
Get out of
Kill.
here.
Walling mid side.
Reloading.
One you are, I think.
Reloading.
Should be Yoru.
Come you all with me.
Spike planted.
You all.
I'm coming. Oh wait, flank.
One enemy remaining.
What's happening, bro? What is it?
Time for a protein shake.
I'll go get Spike. I stunned your shower.
Someone should break the cam hookah. They have a cam here.
He's probably just gonna walk down on it already. I'm grabbing one bomb.
Get out, let me get that.
Got the spike.
Can I get the orb long?
Yep.
Care walk down hookah. He's gonna end B.
I'm running up long already.
I have 1 smoke this round. Are you smoke CT?
Are we being mean to enemy Cypher? Who's being mean? I'm not paying attention. I can flash back side.
Netting back.
Give me bombing one.
Target spike.
Last player
Bucking
standing.
on side.
Who's being mean? Broke camp. Cypher's in hookah. I'm stunning them. Just keep running up.
Smoke's down. Blinding.
Flashing.
Yeah, on here.
Let's get orb showers for them.
Gunner.
Good trade. Guardian down on my body.
He has a judge in the TP. Do not TP. He has a judge in the TP.
Let's go here then. Let's fight site.
Dim beacon here. Easy.
One hookah.
I'm yeah.
Launching smoke.
Gotta reload. Go TP.
TP'd as well. TP'd as well.
Clearing out.
Out.
He's a judge. He's a judge.
One enemy remaining.
Tight.
Thrifty.
Done.
Fuck off.
Good.
Nice shots. Thank you. No, no, sorry.
I'll do deeper smoke.
Blinding.
Cypher's here.
If you dead, if you dead. I have to watch you all. Could be backside now. Careful flank as well. Ready.
Shit.
Oh my god, wait. I have ult and molly.
Drop
Back to
10.
it.
I'm gonna flashing.
Flash out.
One enemy
Backside is
remaining.
triple.
Okay.
Nice.
Enemy Cypher's dead. No, you're awesome.
They smoke short. I'm too scared.
Damn, your head.
I can stun all left. Stun.
Get out, get out.
Once you're dead. I need to start flashing this if I can, bro. Everyone just goes too fast on this stun flash.
Spike planted.
Judging CT.
I know
Judging CT.
exactly where.
Blinding.
One enemy remaining.
I haven't.
You have it.
I had to reload. I'm one.
I'm one as well. I'm one as well.
Oh my god, help me.
There's stun so.
I'm just trying to fake and phone you, bro.
Get out of my way.
80.
I'm stunning front shower. Ready.
Smoke. Smoke.
I can also just. You want me to ult? I'm gonna ult all right side. Ult in the one to you all.
Flash out.
Damn.
Smoke's down.
Who's next?
Gotcha, fun. My turn. Throwing next.
Headshot.
Hold me.
One enemy remaining.
TP short. Nice
I
stuff.
can't see.
Attackers win.